Today in the life of DC.
Hi guys.
Subscribe and join the family.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm DC. If you are a subscriber, thanks for subscribing and welcome to the life of DC. So in today's video, I'm actually going to do some of my clients' taxes and bookkeeping. If you did not know, I am a tax preparer. And then also I'm going to do a quick workout. I'm going to show you some of the workouts that I do in the gym. So if you're interested, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. All right, let's get into it. Hey guys, so right now, I am actually doing some bookkeeping. If you didn't know, I actually do taxes as well as bookkeeping. So if you're interested, in getting your taxes done, want a new tax preparer, I am available. I will leave all my information down below, and I also do bookkeeping as well. So if you're interested, need somebody new, doesn't matter what state you're in, I can do taxes for anybody in the US. So again, I'll leave my email and my information below. You can just send me an email if you are interested, and I can do your taxes or bookkeeping. So today I have a client. Right now I am doing his bookkeeping so right now I'm just doing that. Nothing too special, nothing too exciting, but I'm just doing a little bookkeeping. I have like a little Excel sheet that I'm using to bookkeep. Like I said, it's nothing important right now. So right now, like I said, I'm just doing some bookkeeping, logging in all his information for 2021 so I can be prepared. And it'll be easier when I do his taxes for next year, for the year of 2021. I was like, so again, if you're interested, you wanted a new tax preparer, hit me up. Yeah, and if you have any tax questions, you can hit me up for that as well. Okay guys, so right now, as you can see, I am doing some squats. I'm more so focused on form rather than lifting heavy. I haven't been doing weights in a while, so that's why I'm starting off with 25 pounds on each side. Right now I'm just focused on my form, and then as time goes on, then I will increase the weight. So it's okay not to start off lifting heavy because you don't want to hurt yourself, strain your back, legs, or any part of your body. So just focus on form first, and then as time go on, you'll be able to lift heavier. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, so now we're moving on to hip thrusts. Hip thrusts are great glute exercises. You'll know you're doing it properly once you squeeze your glutes at the top. You'll actually feel it. So again, I'm still doing the 25-pound weights on each side and doing my glute hip thrusts. Okay, so now we're moving on to some arm workouts. Again, this whole gym workout or weight training, I still use the 25 pounds. So I'm just pushing up, like I said, just to build my strength because I haven't been doing a lot of weight training. So, good arm exercise. Alright guys, so that is my workout. It is now completed. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. Thanks for watching. Bye.
It's a day in the life of DC.
Keep watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.